Hello everyone, my name is Deeksha and today I'll be talking about an app called FlipaClip. What is FlipaClip? Well, FlipaClip is an app used to animate cartoons, stories and GIFs. This app has various types of tools to make it easy to animate. You can also add effects to your animations, and this app is also free of cost. Here are some of the main tools. There's a pen, which you can use in different colors and sizes. There's an eraser, and you can cut, copy and paste your animation, and you can also add text, which comes in different colors and sizes. Now I'll just brush you through on how to create a FlipaClip. First, start by clicking on the plus button on the bottom of the screen. This will allow you to create a new project. After you click on it, you'll have the option to select the name, background, canvas size and frames per second. Then you can start animating. To add a new slide, click on the plus button next to the first slide. After you've learned to create a simple animation, you can go ahead and add music, different layers, grids, images and videos. You can always refer back to the instruction video the app has by clicking on Discover. Now I'll just take you through more features the app has. First is the search option, where you can search for your projects, movies and other articles. Then you can organize your projects in any way you want by just clicking on the three dots. Then there's the Discover section, where you can enter contests and look at other people's animations. You can add your own voice, sounds and music to your animations. And there's other features, like adding layers, copy and pasting, and using the grid. And there's also a ruler which comes in different shapes. There's also an option called Onion, where you can use your previous slide as a template and trace on it and make your own modifications. There's also an option to add photos or videos from your camera, photo library, or files. And finally, once you're done your animation, you can view all your frames by clicking on Frames Viewer. And that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for listening.